Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Hopefully you are enjoying this rainy afternoon. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In both regular math and accelerated math, you need to copy the Chapter 1 numerical expressions and factors notes onto page 1 of your math journal. We set this up in class today. You can find those notes located in Google Classroom under your math class. After each of the terms, you need to skip 3 lines before entering the next term. That's because we will use these in class tomorrow to sit here and to make sure that we've got room to add to those notes to provide examples. In science, we've got 2 different things. One is we've got a paper worksheet called Super Scientist. We need to complete that. If we did not yet get that done in Warrior time, you will have that for homework. Also, if you did not turn in your lab contract today, you need to turn that in tomorrow to Ms. Falk and to Ms. Smith. It's very important that you do that because without having a lab contract, you're not going to be able to participate in labs. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts for Mrs. Murray, first period, you need to practice your classmate intro out loud at home. Then, all the other class periods, there is no homework today. In literature, there is no homework. We finished the iReady testing in class today. If we did not finish it in class, you were to finish that in Warrior time. And in Careers in Life and FCS 6, there is no homework. One other tidbit of information, we've had people asking about covers for their Chromebook. If you go back to your Warrior time 8th period page and you scroll down to an entry on August 20th, which was last Thursday. All right, if anyone is interested in ordering a Chromebook cover, please fill out the attached form with your parents. Orders will be taken through Monday, October 31st. You can go ahead and click on this link. All right, go through, enter your email address, and click next and go from there. If you do have questions about that, you can contact Mrs. Music directly. That is going to be it for today on Tuesday. Everybody have a safe evening, and we will see you tomorrow.